In today's tutorial on your Citroen C1, water in interior light. Or maybe you can see signs of rust. This is such a common problem that every C1 owner really should check for this. So let me show you what to look for, where it comes from and how to fix it. Remove the interior light completely and disconnect it from the harness. I've done a completely separate video on how to do that and how to change the bulb. I'll link to that down in the description. Without doing anything else, I can see that I've got a problem of water and corrosion inside the interior light here. And if I remove the bulb holder and turn it over, you can see signs of corrosion on these connectors here. Luckily this one isn't too bad, but I have seen much worse. And where does it come from? It comes in through the roof aerial base. Back inside, took the interior light harness out of the way, but not so far that you can't reach it again afterwards. And with a 10mm socket on an extension, undo the nut holding the aerial base to the car. I found it easier to use a long extension. Remove the nut and with 2 fingers or a pair of long nose pliers, remove the wire connection from the stud and pull the base away from the roof. The main body of this base is rubberized, which is fine when it's new, but eventually this material relaxes and water gets through. Now you could, if you're keen, cut yourself a gasket to go around that. But personally, silicone sealer is what does it for me. Now not even silicone sealer lasts forever. Put plenty on and every 3 or 4 years check that it's still sound. Make sure to clean the area all around with some paint restorer cream, making sure there's absolutely no dirt, because dirt is the enemy of a good seal. And then clip the base back into position, pushing down vertically. Place the aerial connection back over the stud, bring your nut, gently start it off on the stud, tighten it down. No need to do it overly tight, but just snip it up so that it won't come loose. You could give the contacts in the light a little clean up with some 800 grit wet and dry. If it's particularly bad, then I'd suggest replacing the light and put the light back. I hope you found this video useful and I will see you next time.